Alrighty, by request, I'm going to try to replicate the Montreal Canadians Goal horn. From what I understand, it is a K3L. I have the K3H. It's not on a low manifold, it's on a high manifold. Straight bells 1, 2, and 3. First round, I'm going to do bells 1, 2, and 3 all together. Second round, I'm blocking off the number 1 bell by request, because he said about 12 years ago the horn changed and it thinks that the number 1 bell is kind of dead. So here we go. First round, all 3 bells, K3H, Canadian National Goal horn. Montreal Canadian Goal horn. I'll get it ready. Alrighty, that was all 3 bells together. The 1, 2, and the 3 straight bells coming up next. Just the 2 and the 3. Okay, 1 bell blocked off. Just number 2 and number 3 straight bells. Alrighty, everybody. Let me know how close it is. It's hot. I couldn't get in the rink. They wouldn't let me indoors anywhere that was even close big enough, and I couldn't do it in my basement. So I went to the Vogue Tech down the street from me and came underneath the solar roof. I figured this would be about a pretty good spot to do it. Hope everybody likes it. I want to say, hey, everybody in Canada, how you doing? From the USA. Happy day.